how to use Assistive Touch to increase or decrease the volume on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, make sure you go back to the main settings page. And from here, tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Touch. Next, tap on Assistive Touch. Then tap on the Assistive Touch toggle button to turn it on. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now, when you would like to increase or decrease the volume on your device, just tap on the Assistive Touch button, then tap on Device. Now tap on Volume Up to increase the volume, or Volume Down to decrease the volume. And that's it. You don't need to physically press on the button here. You can simply just use the on-screen button to increase or decrease the volume. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.